Thomas, man, on the beat. It's time to let y'all know who Jeremy Ricks is and not Remy the Demented. My life ain't been full of happiness. The track is to relieve my stress. At the end, I hope I don't cause a mess. I'ma use this beat to explain Jeremy to the fullest. You only know me by Remy the Demented. The only reason is that's the name I invented. Born in 1988, I was filled with nothing but hate. My life was anything but happy and great. Every day was nothing but fighting and complaining. At the end of the day, I felt like nothing was gaining. 13 years old, already raising myself, growing up in the streets. Not homeless, but I mean in the ghetto, and I learned to never retreat. Yeah, I used to sell drugs and not just that green. I used to sling that powder, if you know what I mean. In the end, nothing but trouble came for me. I was always on top, always paid up, but in the end, it was me that couldn't see. After the death of my grandparents, I really became a mess. Every day was filled with anger, hate, and stress. Me and my mom went from state to state. Hell, we even went to Canada, cause she thought she found a soulmate. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even finish school. My stepdad turned into a dick and I came out the fool. Wouldn't help me get back and forth from school. Once again, I picked up the mic and used it as my tool. Time after time, I contemplated suicide, but I knew in the end I couldn't hide. No matter the situation, I was always down to ride. I was the one that always felt like they were cast aside. I thought I found family, no more being scared. The whole time they made me have to beat her bitch and didn't care whether I lived or died. So once again, I was back on my own. See, I'm kinda used to not having a home and being alone. Back and forth from Illinois to Missouri. That went on for a couple of years and then out came the jury. It would stay here or never come back. See, that's my stepdad talking shit and doing nothing but thinking he's bad. Think you something cause you married my mother? The only good thing you did was give me a brother. I want you to remember one thing, you will never be my father. Just my stepdad, and honestly I hope you don't even bother. I would rather be homeless than to live with you. As long as my mother is happy, I won't fucking bother you. First time I get told you lay a hand on my mother or brother, you'll be unrecognizable even by your own mother. I miss my grandparents to this day. I think if they were still alive, would I be this way? Then I got to think how much different my life would be. And honestly, I don't think that life would be meant for me. The life that I lived was good, even with its bumps in the road. I honestly don't think I could do anything else, but who knows? I'm just waiting for the day I wake up and find that black rose. When it's all said and done, I'm gonna be the one that gets disposed.